Setahin, Maku Harasha of Somali. Yo, guys, we back again today. And today we're trying out a food truck, right? A Somali food truck. If I'm pronouncing it right, Hersi's food truck. And we have some food today. And I know we got our special guest, my niece, Zanesh. What's up, Zanesh?
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
You're good? So this is the first time that you've ever had Somali food, right?
Yep.
And the crazy thing about it is that, guys, this is like a Somali wrap, right? So we have Somali wraps, which are really special. I never had a Somali wrap at all in my life. Have you ever had a Somali wrap?
No.
You haven't? So what do you think that a Somali wrap will taste like? Do you think it's going to be good?
Yeah.
Me too. Me too. And so today, guys, we have a Somali wrap, and it's called Malawax. So this is what makes it sort of interesting, right? Malawax is like eaten at breakfast. I don't know if it's eaten other times in Somali culture, but it's eaten at breakfast. So we have like a Malawax wrap, which is sort of kind of like a Somali pancake, but we have it in a wrap. And so I have a mixed veggie wrap, which is crazy to think about. And we have garlic fries too. I mean, these fries look and smell so delicious. And Zanesh has, what did you get? You get a chicken Malawax, right?
Yep.
So she got a chicken Malawax. So she's filled with chicken, veggies, and she's got fries. You love fries too, huh?
Yeah.
Yo, she's gonna warm up to you guys, I promise. But let's get right into it. You ready to eat? I'm hungry. I'm trying to figure out what this is like. Yo, guys, mine has the bris, right? So I got rice, I got mixed veggies, and it's a little spicy. Let's go in for it. Let's just see what this is. Baby girl, this is so delicious. Hold on. Wow. Who would ever thought that I would say that now we have a Somali wrap? You need a little help? We have a Somali wrap that is just so delicious, right? She's got the Malawax. Try it out. What do you think about that?
Spicy.
And
sweet.
Spicy and sweet? So, guys, I think what she's tasting with the sweetness is the Malawax, right? Exactly, right? The pancake around it, the wrap around it. And then the chicken is spicy. Look, I told you guys before, Somali food reminds me a lot of Thai food, because Thai food is very like spicy, sweet, sour, all mixed together. And Somali food definitely reminds me of that. Do you like that mix between like spicy and sweet?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Is there like any other sauces in there? There's like a white sauce in there too, right? So what do you think about Malawax?
It's good, spicy and sweet, and it has a lot of vegetables.
It has a lot of vegetables? You know vegetables is good for you, right? Yeah, that's why I get it. Oh, the fries. Hold on, you going in for the fries without me? Yo, these fries. I love fries. Don't you love fries? I love potatoes. These fries, I like about them, they're salty, they're a little garlicky, and they're perfect. They're not too like too thick. They're not too small, right? This girl, she's just loving her food right now. She's like, yo, I don't even care what you're saying. Wow. So tell the audience what you think about this. I want to know a little bit more what you're thinking about.
The fries?
The whole meal in general. You like the whole meal?
Yeah. It's garlicky, sweet, sour and spicy, and it has a lot of vegetables, and it's like spicy chicken.
Ooh. Do you think that your friends will like this? Me too. Yeah, go on for another bite. Wow. That's really good, baby girl. I think you need a little bit of water, huh? Wow. This is so delicious, guys. Now, when I talked to the owner of the food truck, she's a very nice Somali lady. She said she's only been there for maybe 5-6 months. So this is one of the best hidden Somali food trucks in the city. I'm gonna have to say this right now. This food is pretty amazing, don't you think, baby girl?
Yeah.
Wow. How do Somali people know how to cook so good? I always wondered that. You wonder that? Guess they've been doing it for thousands of years. That's why. Wow. This is delicious. Let me get a little bit of water. Then I'm gonna give you all a little bit of Somali history. So did you know in Somalia, there used to be ancient empires and kingdoms? Did you know that? You know why? Because Uncle be telling you that. That's why. And so in ancient Somalia, you know that they had like their own coins and they had their own kingdoms and they had like their own navies and they had rich people, they had kings, they had queens, all kind of stuff, right? Well, look, my job's done. I've told the whole beautiful history of Somalia. My job is done. There's nothing else I need to do, and I'm feeding my niece, so my job is done. Guys, I'm going in for another piece of the wrap. Let's do this. Shout out to Somalia. Wow. This is crazy good. This is dangerously good. Have you ever had camel milk? You know in Somalia they have camels, right?
Yeah.
In the desert. And Somalia is one of the first places that domesticated camels. There's a lot of camels in Somalia. You need water. I'm sorry. I was talking about the camels and you need water. Okay. Just act like that's camel milk, okay? Tell me how it tastes. Wow. So with the wrap, how spicy do you think it is? Do you think that it gets spicier the more you eat it?
Yeah, it's like extreme spicy and it's like Takis.
Wait, it's like what? I'm sorry.
It's like Takis.
Oh yeah.
It's like Takis.
Okay, here, hold on. Put this down a little bit more so you can get more. I don't want you to eat the or taste the plastic, the foil. This little girl got a Malawax here. Can I take a little piece? I just want to try what this Malawax tasting like. Hold on, you really eating good? You eating good over there? Toast. Wow, that really is good. What the heck? That's crazy how good that is. Wow. Guys, I definitely will recommend this food truck to anybody. Wouldn't you? I mean, how could a food truck be this good? It's like going to a restaurant. Matter of fact, I would say this is better than most of the restaurants. There's a lot of competition in here. There's a lot of competition in this city for Somali food. I'm telling you, there's a lot of competition. You know what I mean?
This part is really sweet.
That's called Malawax. Can you say Malawax?
Malawax.
Malawax. There we go. Also, you know, I like sweet things, but I also like ma'an. You know what ma'an is? It means like sweets or like something sweet, like a dessert in Somali.
Like it looks like a taki.
It does, right? Ooh, how's that chicken? Is it tender? Tender? You're really enjoying yourself, little girl. I'm loving that you're enjoying yourself. Wow. So what would you like to say to all the little Somali kids in Somalia? What would you like to say to them?
That Somalian food is really good and you should try this one because it's really good.
I agree, baby girl. I agree. You know, Somali kids get to eat this every day. They're so lucky. How are they so lucky? Huh?
Because they live in Somalia.
That's true. That's true. One day we're gonna go to Somalia. We're gonna go to Somalia one day. Well, guys, we've enjoyed ourselves. Please go check out the Sisters Food Truck. I'm gonna have the address down here and the link below. Zinesh, I'm so thankful that you joined me today for my video. I really appreciate it, baby girl.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. You know, Uncle always take care of you. You know how it is, baby girl. Go ahead, keep eating. You enjoy yourself. Guys, like the video, subscribe, turn on the bell notification down there so you can get all my videos. Add me on all social medias, which is Afric Network, which is Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok. Each one teach one. Always love each other. Always learn from each other. And yo, guys, until next time, peace to Somalia. One love. You enjoying yourself, huh? I like that. I like that. I like that.